So the first thing we're going to do is go to Google, and you want to put in a search bar WooCommerce product dependencies. When you enter that, the very first option that comes up in the search engine is what you're going to click. You can get to it from WordPress website as well, but yeah, so once you get there, you're going to see the WooCommerce product dependencies. Right on side of it, you'll see a download link. Click the download link. When you download it, at the bottom left-hand corner, you're going to see a zip folder. And then go ahead to your website and log in with your information. But once you log in, you're going to go ahead and go to your dashboard. From dashboard, go ahead and go to your plugins. Click install plugins. At the very top, you'll see on side of plugins, it'll say add new. Go ahead and click add new. And from there, you'll see it says add plugin and select upload plugin on the side of it. Choose your file. It should be saved under your downloads. Once you go to downloads, you're going to go to the WooCommerce for dependencies zip folder, and just go ahead and click open and install now. Once you install it, it'll take a little second to install, and then you go ahead and select activate plugin. Once you activate the plugin, just go ahead down throughout your plugins and just make sure you check for it to see that it's there. And as you can see, it says WooCommerce product dependencies. From there, we're going to go ahead and go to visit your site. You can actually just select products in the back of dashboards as well. But I just went ahead and went to the site, click closures, and I'm going to go ahead and test this plugin out, okay, to make sure it's correct. You should do that when you change anything on your website. So for this example, I'm going to use the Brazilian Silky Straight Closure. Yeah, I'm going to edit the product. Go to variations, which is, how you change the prices for your items. So I'm going to go ahead and mark the sale price on here on this closure. Let me see. You can just put anything you want. I mean, whatever your sale is going to be. But for this example, I'm just going to go ahead and make the closure $9.99. And after that, I'm going to go ahead and save the change. Changes. Once you save the changes, you're going to go back to that menu on the left-hand side, and you're going to click Dependencies. Once you click Dependencies, you're going to go and select a product. And you're going to go to Select Categories. Your site should be grouped into categories. If it's not, you really should do that to make it easier shopping experience for your customers. So I'm going to go ahead and select the bundle deals, because that is going to be my dependency type, meaning that this closure in particular cannot be purchased alone. It must be purchased with a bundle deal or it will not go through. So after you select that, go ahead and hit update. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and test this theory out and see if it works. So now you're going to go to your website, basically go to your website again. I'm going to go ahead and sign out so that way it doesn't have me logged in. So I'm going to just go ahead and shop as if I was a customer. Go back to my website. And I'm going to go ahead and go to the closures. And I'm going to try to check out with the closure by itself. Let me see, which one did I mark? The Brazilian straight closure, I marked it at $9.99. Okay, so there it goes, showing up at $9.99. I'm going to try to go ahead and add it to the cart. Okay, you see when I added to the cart, it immediately gave me an error message saying that the Brazilian Silky Straight closure requires purchasing a product from the bundle deals category. If you have previously purchased it from the bundle deals, log in to verify ownership or try again. Alternatively, you can get access to Brazilian Straight closure now by adding a product from the bundle deals category to your cart. So that lets me know it will not let it check out unless they have a bundle deal with it. So I'm going to go ahead and click bundle deals. And now I'm just going to go and just add a random bundle deal to the cart. So I'm just going to go to Brazilian Body Wave bundles. I'm going to add it to the cart. Okay, so now you see I have the bundle deal added in the cart. And now I'm going to go back to closures. And I'm going to go ahead and click that closure. That was $9.99, which was the Brazilian Straight closure. I'm going to add it to the cart and see if it works. And there you go. It went ahead and added it to my cart. So this is the plugin that you guys have to absolutely make sure you have on your website. Do not offer a sale that will have you coming out of your pocket, okay? Make sure you don't do that, guys. I had a friend of mine actually, who was trying to do a Black Friday sale, and she ran into this issue of offering a closure for $10 and had no idea how to pair it with a bundle deal, only because you know, most of us cannot give out a sale for a $10 closure without some other purchase being with it. So thank you guys for watching. If you have anything else you'd like to learn how to do, let me know, and I'll see about getting the video out.